Welcome to this new video in our HEFLO onboarding series. Today, we'll show you how to export a process documentation as a PDF file so you can easily share essential information with your team or use it for audits. Let's walk through the steps together. Open the process you want to export. In this example, we'll use the same process from the previous videos, Reimbursement of Expenses. Click on the Actions tab at the top right and select Download Documentation. A window opens, click Single. You can now choose from one of the available documentation templates. You can also create your own custom template tailored to your specific needs. To explore this feature and more, we recommend viewing our webinar that includes an overview of custom documentation models. In the same screen, you can check or uncheck the elements you want to include. The diagram, task and event information, performer information, links to download attached files, the glossary with environment keywords. For more details, be sure to watch the webinar mentioned earlier. Once your selection is complete, click Generate Documentation to start the export. You'll get a structured and complete PDF document including a table of contents, the key process information, the diagram, and all selected documentation elements. This allows you to easily share your process with your team or during quality audits. Don't forget to add a logo to your HEFLO environment to further personalize your documentation. You now know how to export process documentation as a PDF in HEFLO. See you in the following lesson.